Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Not too many significant weather changes for us today. We are seeing a little more rain this morning, especially across the northern Arklatex, and as we continue through the day, rain will likely dry up a bit, and just another warm day for us. Not quite as breezy today, but we should see those high temperatures push close to 80 degrees or so. Did break the record in Shreveport yesterday, made it up to 81. The record for today is 83, so we may come in just shy of that, but still unseasonably warm for December. I'm sure a lot of you have been kind of running the air conditioning for the last day or two here. Looking at pinpoint Doppler, you can see the rain this morning basically along and north of Interstate 30. You'll notice in the forecast I did include the chance of a few thunderstorms today as well, given that we do have some warm air out there kind of feeding into that stationary front that's north of us. Not out of the question that we could see some thunder and lightning today, but not likely to see that widespread. That will be confined to the I-30 corridor today, and you can see the temperatures. Most of us, once again, in the 60s and low 70s. We do have some fog where it's in the 50s in DeQueen, but no dense fog advisory this morning. And a look at your highs today, anywhere from 76 in Texarkana. Cooler where the rain will be north of I-30, and Shreveport to 80 today. Very low chance that we'll see any additional rain in Shreveport, but we did have a few showers kind of pop up here overnight last night. So this area of low pressure moving off to the northeast, so this front is still just kind of stalled out here across the northern Arklatex. So the rain over the next week or so coming through in 3 different rounds. The round today will be pretty light and confined to the areas here in the northern Arklatex, as we could see just a few isolated showers here after the noon hour. And you can see this afternoon there's a few storms trying to pop up, so that's why I've included at least the mention of some thunder and lightning today. But most of the rain staying here in the northern Arklatex, where we could see maybe a quarter to about a half inch of rain, especially if we get some thunderstorms going here. And we do have round 2 of the rain coming in this weekend, and likely a third round with a cold front early next week. So this will just include this first round that will be today, tomorrow, and likely clearing out a bit Friday. So showing about half an inch to an inch, which is pretty consistent with what we've been showing throughout the week, with much lower totals here south of Interstate 20. Again, I think we'll dry out a bit Friday and cool down a few degrees here as we hit the weekend, but we still have that rain coming in, especially Saturday afternoon through Sunday morning. May fizzle the rain a bit Sunday into Monday, but now watching next Tuesday. Tuesday will be the day that we have a stronger cold front move in, so we are in the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. So again, late Monday into Tuesday, especially during the day on Tuesday, may see our next severe weather threat, and of course we'll have more on that in the upcoming days.